If you've ever felt frustrated, helpless, or like no one could explain why your child was struggling, I understand because I've been there. Hi, I'm Chelsea, a myofunctional therapist and a mom of two. And today I want to share our story, how my own child's challenges led me to discover the root cause of so many issues that families face. When my child was little, we dealt with difficulty nursing, chronic ear infections, chronic constipation, and constant mouth breathing. I remember watching her sleep and hearing the soft snoring and thinking something's not right. I tried the usual things: ENT visits, pediatrician visits, and of course, waiting to grow it out or waiting for surgery. But deep down, I knew these were signs of something deeper. That's when I started learning about myofunctional therapy and how breathing, tongue posture, and facial growth are all connected. I learned that my child's ear infections, constipation, and poor sleep weren't separate problems. They were symptoms of a muscle and airway dysfunction. It changed everything. I realized that we could actually train the muscles, support nasal breathing, and help the body do what it was designed to do. Once we began retraining the breathing and retraining the tongue function, the changes were incredible. My child's constipation and ear infections completely disappeared, just gone. She started sleeping deeply, waking up rested, and her focus and mood improved. Even her face began to open up, and you could see the difference in the shape of her smile. And the best part, it wasn't about forcing or fixing, it was about helping her body find balance again to do what it's meant to do. If you're watching this and thinking this sounds like my child, please know you're not alone. So many families are living with the same signs, thinking they're normal when they're actually early signs that the airway needs support. When we restore proper breathing, we're not just improving sleep, we're changing how a child grows, behaves, and feels. If this story resonates with you and you're ready to uncover what's really behind your child's struggles, I'd love to guide you through it. I created a free educational masterclass where I walk parents through the exact steps I used, the same approach that helped me transform my child's health on our journey. Click the link below and join me, and let's start your family's transformation today.